you better do it quick. Make sure you're sending an email to thearmedfisherman@gmail.com. Get yourself entered into the Streamlight flashlight giveaway. I just hit 40 or 65,000 subscribers. Gary Pixley needs about 20 more, and we got to get him 20 more, and we'll be giving away that TRL1 Streamlight flashlight. It's probably one of the best flashlights for your handgun. As long as you have a rail mount on your handgun, this will attach to it. It's an amazing flashlight, and I can't say thank you enough to Gary Pixley. So all the links will be in the description below. Get over to his channel. He only needs like 20 more, and then send an email to thearmedfisherman@gmail.com. Get yourself entered into the giveaway, and then as soon as I go ahead and close the giveaway, I will be sending everybody a number. You will get a number, and then we will give away the Streamlight flashlight. What's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, and I just want to let everybody know I can't say thank you enough for all the new subscribers and all the support. You are all awesome. I can't say that enough to all my subscribers and all the new subscribers. Just keep hitting that thumbs up, smash the like button, hit that share button, and tell your friends and leave comments. And you know, you're doing amazing. So I can't say thank you enough. Now, that being said, this is a records request that I did with the FDLE, and this is for all the NCIC, FCIC, and records for last year, from January 1st until I think it was like January 1st of 2021, all the way till December 31st of 2021. And what I got back is going to be crazy. The number, the dollar amount. Well, no, let's talk about how much I'm about to get. One way or the other, this is going to happen. It's 145 pages. 145 pages of me being ran through NCIC, FCIC, through all these databases. If that doesn't shock you, it shocks the hell out of me. But anyway, we're going to go through this. They say it's going to take them roughly about 20 hours, so it's roughly about a day. It's going to take them about a day or two to complete this record. So it's 20 hours, and then there's another little thing for 50 cents an hour. Not really worried, it's like $9, and they waived it because it was under a certain amount of hours. And then they did another little fee. I'll put it up on the screen or whatnot. And there's another fee for $1 an hour, $19. You know, that's their rate. But the one that the 20 hours is rated at $23.46 an hour for 20 hours, and that number came to $469.20. Yeah, $469.20. And with all the other fees, all this other stuff, it's $490.34 for this complete record of 145 pages of me going around the state of Florida, openly carrying. I didn't get any tickets. The only time I've ever been stopped by law enforcement is while I've been out fishing. And I would say definitely they're probably looking into it when I got arrested in Titusville, and they probably looked into it when I got arrested in Ball Harbor. So when I get these records, and I'm going to pay for them one way or the other, but what I am saying is that if somebody can help, or if anybody wants to help, my PayPal's in the description below. I may create a GoFundMe for this. Once again, it's roughly about $500. And I will be getting this. No matter what, I will be getting this. It is a $500 for 145 pages in a CD. And, yeah, this is just insane. For a law-abiding citizen. Somebody that was just following the law. And all my charges got dropped, so, once again, it seems like I was following the law. And to get 145 pages is going to cost $500. So, if you do want to help, links are in the description. I'm up in the air about doing a GoFundMe only because they may shut it down. They may not. But I think it's very important, not only for myself, but to show you why it's so important not to give up your identification. And if you've noticed, I've really been pushing it to where I don't want to give them anything. I just want to go about my day, and that's going to continue because of this, because of a record for doing something lawful. So I can't say thank you enough to all my subscribers. You guys and girls are all amazing. Keep sharing this. If you don't believe, wait till you see this and all this stuff, and you're going to be completely shocked. Completely shocked. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. And thank you very much for any help that you can help with. I'm not asking for anybody to go beyond. If you have an extra dollar or two and you can, and you want to see what they're saying about me, what they're writing up about me, please. Links will be in the description. And I'm out of here. Soliaker, deuces.